When specifying rectangle dimensions, I type my first number, I press Tab, and then I type my second number and I press Enter. To add a shape on this side, I'm going to right click on the side and click New Sketch, and then draw my rectangle in. This part can be a little tricky, but what we're going to do is we're going to just draw a rectangle in wherever we want, make sure it's the right size by typing in our measurements, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to go back and we're going to change this dimension right here by clicking Dimension, clicking the 2 points, dragging it up, and I'm going to type in my new dimension to move that box over. To add some shading and texture to this isometric, right click, click Edit View, select Shaded, and that will give you that desired effect.